Hey guys, Redmi is a sub-brand of Xiaomi. All Redmi smartphones are very popular in India. Redmi K20 Pro was Redmi's first flagship device and it became really popular among the users. Now according to some new reports, Redmi could launch Redmi K30 in December 2019. It could be the very first 5G smartphone from Redmi. Redmi's GM Weibieng has already confirmed the existence of Redmi K30. He also confirmed that Redmi K30 will have 5G support. Recently some live images have been leaked and they reveal some key specs about the Redmi K30. So let's talk about some confirmed specs of Redmi K30. But before that, if you are watching the video on this channel for the first time, then subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon so that I can give you all the future updates related to Redmi K30 series. So with that, I am Raj and now let's get in. These images give us a really good idea about the display of Redmi K30. Unlike Redmi K20, Redmi K30 will not have a pop-up camera. The images clearly show that the Redmi K30 will have a punch hole display. It will be a pill-shaped cutout. The cutout will house a dual front camera. One will be the main sensor and the second sensor could be a wide-angle sensor for group selfies or a depth sensor for better front portrait shots. Now that's all about the camera and cutout in the display. But that's not all what these images tell us. One of the images shows that the phone will have a 120Hz display. Now here Xiaomi is not going with a 90Hz display but with a 120Hz display, and that's a very bold move. Users can switch between 60Hz or 120Hz refresh rate in order to save some battery. So the Redmi K30's display is going to be very smooth and fluid and users are really gonna enjoy it. The Redmi K30 has a 6.66-inch display with a 1080 by 2400 resolution. We currently don't know anything about the processor, but it uses Adreno 618 GPU and this GPU is used with Snapdragon 730 and Snapdragon 730G. So the regular K30 will come with Snapdragon 730 or Snapdragon 730G and the Pro model could come with next year's flagship chip from Qualcomm. As we have discussed earlier, Redmi's GM Weibieng has already confirmed that in upcoming Redmi K30 series smartphones, we will get 5G support. He also confirmed that Redmi K30 will support standalone mode and non-standalone mode networking. Weibieng also confirmed that Redmi K30 will be the most affordable 5G smartphone, but this smartphone will not follow Redmi's pricing policy. Here Weibieng didn't mention anything about the K30 Pro, but we can expect that along with K30, we will definitely get to see K30 Pro. So day by day we are getting more and more information about the upcoming Redmi K30 series, so stay tuned for that. With that, we are at the end of this video. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then like the video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. If you have any questions regarding this topic, then feel free to ask them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as you leave and also press the bell icon so that you will be the first one to watch my videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am Raj and I will see you guys in my next video.